The Air Jordan 1 remains a revered icon in Nike's lineup, but its designers haven't hesitated to reimagine it through bold, experimental takes, especially with the low version. Earlier this June, a gem-adorned Air Jordan 1 low showcased just that spirit, and now a new variation is set to arrive soon. While both iterations feature the signature turquoise hue on the tongue, this upcoming version takes things further by using beads and gems to outline the swoosh and extend around the rear. Although it trades the sequins and airy tones of its predecessor for a more understated flair, it still captures a luxurious, fashion-forward feel. Enhancing its elevated design are panels of faux Croc leather, detailed with subtle debossed lines at the heel. A release date for the Air Jordan 1 Low Turquoise hasn't been announced yet, but expect to find it on Nike.com as the fall 2025 season progresses.